Hi everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make these pumpkin cinnamon rolls with maple cream cheese icing. These cinnamon rolls are perfect for the fall season and they taste delicious, so let's get started with the video. Begin by adding 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1/3 cup of milk into a saucepan. Warm your butter and milk together over medium heat until your mixture is warm. Once your mixture is lukewarm, take it off the heat and set it to the side. Next, in a stand mixer, add half a cup of canned pumpkin, 1/4 cup of light brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then, beat all your ingredients together on medium speed. Next, add your butter and milk mixture, and mix everything together until well combined. After that, add 1 egg, and 2 1/4 teaspoons of dry active yeast. Beat everything together until well combined. Now add 1 cup of flour and beat on low for 1 minute. Make sure to scrape down the sides of your bowl. Next, add 1 1/4 cup of flour and beat on low for 1 minute. Next, in a large bowl, add some olive oil. Then add your dough. Use your dough to coat all the sides of your bowl in olive oil. After that, cover your bowl in plastic wrap and then place your bowl in a warm area to rise for about 1 or 1.5 hours. While the dough is rising, we're going to make our cinnamon roll filling. In a bowl, add 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves, and 1/4 teaspoon of allspice. When you're finished, set your filling to the side. Once your dough has doubled in size, gently punch it to deflate it. Then, sprinkle some flour over a clean surface and start kneading your dough. Knead your dough for about 5 to 10 minutes. When you're finished kneading your dough, roll your dough out into an 18 by 10 inch rectangle. When you're finished, evenly spread 6 tablespoons of unsalted softened butter on top. Then add your filling. And finally, some toasted pecans. Now roll everything up tightly. Since I like to be precise, I'll use a ruler and cut shallow lines into the dough so that my cinnamon rolls are the perfect size. So you're going to want to cut your cinnamon rolls into 1.5 inch pieces. I'll wrap some floss around my hands and then use that to cut the perfect piece. I'll slide the floss under the dough and then twist, cutting the perfect slice. And the floss doesn't affect the taste of the cinnamon rolls at all. Next, we are going to coat the inside of our pan in butter. When you're finished, place your cinnamon rolls on the inside. Then cover the pan in plastic wrap and let your cinnamon rolls rise for 1 hour. Once the hour is up, place your cinnamon rolls into an oven at 350 degrees for 22 to 28 minutes. Cover your cinnamon rolls in aluminum foil at the 15-minute mark to prevent any heavy browning. While the cinnamon rolls are baking, we're going to create our maple cream cheese icing. In a bowl, add 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of milk, and gradually add 1 cup of confectioner's sugar. Mix everything together on medium speed until well combined. When you're finished, set your icing to the side. Once your cinnamon rolls are finished baking, add your icing. And that's it, you are all finished making your pumpkin cinnamon rolls. And this is the finished result. Added some more toasted pecans on top and a bit of cinnamon for decoration, and they came out beautifully. The cinnamon rolls came out delicious. I found this recipe on TikTok, so I'll have the link in the description below. These are perfect for the fall season, and they're a really nice comfort food to have with some hot chocolate. I really enjoyed making these. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!